Question 17, we're going to work out the length of AB. Now I think the first thing to consider here is what topic is this. So it's a right angled triangle, so that really narrows it down to being either Pythagoras or SOHCAHTOA. Well, remember with Pythagoras, that's where you've got a side, another side, and you're finding the third side. Well, that's not the case here. We've only been given one side and an angle. So this must be trigonometry, it must be SOHCAHTOA. So the formulae may or may not be given depending what paper you're sitting, what year it is. So it's no bad thing learning it. Silly old Hitler caused awful havoc to our armies, or SOHCAHTOA. So bearing in mind these ratios in a little bit. So process then. Picture yourself sitting on the angle and then label up the three sides. That's the hypotenuse, that's the long slanty one opposite the right angle. That side is opposite me, O for opposite, and this side is adjacent to me. So I then tick the two sides that either I know the length, well I know this is 13.4, so I know the hypotenuse, or it's the length I need to work out. Well, I've been asked to work out the length of AB, so I've ticked O as well. So I've ticked O and H, so looking at my three ratios, that means it must be the sin one, because that's got the opposites over the hypotenuse. So I know I've got to be using sine on this occasion, so sine followed by the angle. It's always the angle after the chosen trigonometry ratio. So that equals, now you've got to get this the right way round, it's my opposite side divided by my hypotenuse. I'm going to call this length ABX, so it's x divided by 13.4. So it's my opposite side divided by my hypotenuse. Now, just go back to normal algebraic disciplines here. How do I undo a dividing by 13.4? I multiply by 13.4. So x equals 13.4 times sin 53. Pop that into your calculator, you get x being 10.701 dot dot dot. So correct to one decimal place, that's going to be 10.7 centimeters.